Hey friends! So today I am going to take my bleach blonde, platinum blonde, damaged hair, and I am going to apply an Olaplex treatment to my hair for the purposes of improving the health of my damaged hair from the bleaching. And so I've done a lot of research. The Olaplex brand is very well thought of in the beauty community. It has crazy reviews about how people have improved the quality of their hair by doing Olaplex treatment. So if you do dye your hair and your hair is damaged, it doesn't necessarily have to be bleached, but if your hair is damaged and you want to repair and strengthen your hair, this treatment, this is the number 3 Olaplex hair treatment, is the thing to try. So I'm doing that today. I actually bought this from Sephora. I think it was around $30-ish, $25 or $30, so it wasn't cheap, and it's a little bottle. For the last 2 weeks, I have been using the Bond Smoother, the Olaplex Bond Smoother, and this is like a leave-in cream every day that you style it. And I have noticed a crazy difference when I put this in my hair, the knot. It has definitely improved the feeling of my hair, so I'm super excited about this. I'll be using both of these today. This one is a treatment that you can do once a week, so I'm gonna read the back of the bottle to you. It says, use before shampooing, not a conditioner. It's a bond builder. So your directions are use once per week for damaged hair. You can use up to 2 to 3 times a week. So I'll probably do this about once a week. You can do this if you just want to improve the condition of your hair, even if it's not bleached, it says. It says that you apply on damp towel dry hair. You apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Then you leave on for 10 minutes, longer if desired. So you could do like a 30-minute treatment if you want to do a deep condition. And then once you're done with that, you rinse the hair, shampoo with Olaplex. Of course, they want you to buy their shampoo, which I don't have, but you basically shampoo and condition your hair, and that's the treatment. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this towel since I just got my hair wet. I'm gonna just do a quick brush through of my hair. Now I'm going to open this bottle. So while I'm putting this on, let me tell you what it smells like first. People always ask me, how does the product smell? Is it too overwhelming? It smells really good, actually, but a very light smell. So if you're worried about too perfumey, this one's fine. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna use a very generous amount today. So about that much. Maybe even more. Since I have a pixie cut, I can get away with using a little bit amount, but if you had a lot of hair, like if you had long hair, I would worry that it would be a little more expensive, let me put it that way. All right, most of the damage in my hair is up here on the top, so I feel pretty good about that. I might even add just a tad more because this is the first time I've done this. All right, so I'm gonna let this soak for about 10 minutes. And I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So what I did was I waited 10 minutes, set a timer on my phone, and then I did a typical shampoo and conditioner, and that's where I am now. So you've got to shampoo and condition it out of there. I can tell you my hair felt amazing after I rinsed it out and even washed and shampooed it. My hair felt super soft. So I'm gonna just towel dry my hair right now. It's also a good practice not to towel dry your hair by going like that. You should just pat it dry because doing a vigorous like drying of it can actually tear your hair. So just gonna take a brush here. I can tell like almost immediately how nice my hair feels. My hair feels so soft, even though it's wet. So I'm just gonna do a style on this, a very simple style. Kind of liking just, maybe just a blow dry, but it feels very nice. Feels very nice. Let's see how it dries. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair and we'll style it after. One thing I forgot to do was put a little bit of Bond Smoother. That's the thing I was telling you about, the Reparative styling cream. You can put it on dry or damp hair, and I meant to put it on before my hair was dried, so I'm just gonna take a little bit, about that much, just a tiny little bit, about a pea size, and distribute that through my hair. All right, let me keep going here. we've got my hair dried now. There seems to be a nice bit of volume on my hair, which is a nice change. And my hair feels incredibly soft. So I've got to figure out how I want to style it. You know, a lot of times I blow dry my hair with no rhyme or reason. You know, you can be very intentional with blow drying your hair with like, okay, I'm going to blow dry it this way and it's going to fall that way. I personally, when I style my hair every day, I'll just blow dry it whichever way, and the way my hair falls is the way that I will determine how I'm going to style it that day. So you can tell like my hair kind of fell, blow dried it around right here. So I'm gonna just go with that. And I have a little mini flat iron here. This is just a travel size flat iron I'm gonna use. I find, especially with my hair, that if I do a little bit of flat ironing, the shininess of my hair really pops. And so it's not rocket science. Basically what I just do is go over the strand and then slightly arch it at the very end here. I'm gonna go around. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I kind of have an undercut pixie. I've got it shaved all around. And so what's particularly important when you're styling an undercut pixie is this back piece, these back pieces right here. So I'm going to just make sure to arch those as well. My hair feels wonderful though. I can really tell a difference. I'm so excited to have that treatment, and I will be doing that once a week for sure. Maybe even if you're really looking for a hardcore treatment, you can go up to 30 minutes and do a really super deep condition. But my hair feels wonderful, and it's like I don't want to put anything in it. Maybe just a little bit of finishing spray, just because it feels so good. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this Bumble soft texture finishing spray. When I have days where I want to like put a little bit of finishing spray, but I still want it to be very soft and touchable, I'll use this, which is very like the very lightest of hairsprays, but it's got kind of an oil texture. I mean, it says invisible oil, so there's oil in it, so it's super soft. But yeah, at this point, you can mess with it to give more volume. I'm pretty happy with how this looks. So let me show you, haven't looked at the back. Let me comb the back real quick. All right, so here's the right side. Here's the left side, and I will show you the back. All right, first impressions, guys. Love it. I love how my hair feels. I can definitely tell a difference, and I will be doing this once a week. I wanna help my hair along as much as possible. I did wanna mention a tip from one of my subscribers that if you don't wanna spend the money on a deep conditioner like Olaplex, a very cheap alternative is castor oil. And they mentioned organic castor oil and just putting it on your hair overnight and letting your hair kind of soak up those oils. That's a nice treatment too. So if you're looking for a cheaper option that apparently a lot of people think is a really good option for conditioning your hair, castor oil was the thing mentioned. So anyways, I hope you guys all have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you, and I will see you next time. Bye!